In this video, learn about the Academic Progress Report. The Academic Progress Report link on the left side of the screen will open the Academic Progress page. This is your Degree Progress Report. Use this page to check which requirements are not met and add courses to your planner from any Not Satisfied Requirements section. You can also enroll in classes from this page. A list of graduation requirements that are satisfied and not satisfied will be displayed. Click on any section which is not satisfied. A list of classes meeting the requirements will display. Click on a class in this list. This will open the class's Course Details page. At this point, you can add the class to your planner or enroll in it. Click on the Add to Planner button on the upper right of the screen and the course will be added to your planner right away. To see all available open class sections of a class, click the View Classes button. You may see more than one term into which you can enroll. If so, click on the term into which you would like to enroll. Similar to the Register for Classes section, click on the row of the class into which you would like to enroll. This will open the Step 1 of 2 Review Class Preferences page. Choose the grading basis as either graded or pass or not pass in the drop-down menu under Grading Basis and change the number of units if applicable. Click the Accept button. This will open the Step 2 of 2 Review and Submit page. Click the Submit button to complete. If you are eligible to enroll in this class, it will be added to your schedule. Otherwise, an error or warning message may display on the confirmation page.